the next one. So the next slide is very important. That gives us a guideline of the time management in the exam. I must say that time management is so important because you see, you have to complete the 100 marks exam. Okay, you must complete all the questions, you must attempt all the questions, you must attempt 100% exam. Okay, so it will be very easy to get 50 out of 100. Okay, you have attempted 100 marks, you only are looking to grab 50, so it's easy. Okay, but if you could not manage time properly and you only attempted 60%, what will happen? If you attempted only 60%, what will happen? You are looking to get your 50% marks from the 60% question, the paper attempted. So you are actually putting yourself in a very tricky situation, okay, which I do not want you to be in. Okay, so we have this time, like you see, we have 180 minutes, 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and we have 100 marks to to complete. So that means that for every mark we have 1.8 minutes. Okay, so this is a very important rule, that is 1.8 minutes. Okay, so again, the strategy that I've already told you: first attempt the section A and section B, and then go for section C. And I told you that the 15 markers are focused on income tax and the corporation tax. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, so this time management tool is very important. Okay, so fine, we have some. That's great. That is great. Okay, so let me just clear the drawings before moving on to the next one here.